Happy morning, guys. There will be a confusion about the kitchen assignment. It's very simple. Choose the kitchen and do it. Here you have to use both polygon and knobs. So wherever you see the cow, ox, you can use the knobs. Wherever you see the boxes, you can use the polygon. Now I'll start with this one. Each and everyone has a different assignment. Randomly, I'm choosing this. Okay, here you can say from here to 10. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me start with the simple box. I'm just observing the proportion. Vertex mode, I'll move it. So this is a front view, front side. And then from here to here, I want to extrude it. So insert edge loop tool, shift right click, insert edge loop tool, shift right click, extrude. Okay. Now I go to the image again. You can see 1, 2, 3. So it is divided to a 3-part. From this one, it will divide 1. So bigger one. So from here to here, 2 and 3. Okay, 3, 3. Okay, we'll simply understand something like that. Insert edge loop tool, option box. I need to divide a multiple edges 2 so that you'll get the 3 and you get the 3. Okay, go to the image again. You can see that 1, 2, 3 drawers are there. From here, just 2. From here, we may not sure. Maybe this 2 and this 2 are same. Okay, from top, we need to split up. 1, 2, maybe middle one. So insert edge loop tool, option box, multiple edges 1. So wherever you click, it will fall on the exactly middle. So since it's a loop, everywhere it will fall. Then we have to cut the top portion and bottom portion. In this time, when you extrude in a channel box, there's something called over here, key faces together. So we can just click that one, so it will be off. Without extrude off, click on the square, so it will become scale. Then scale it a little bit. Then shift right click extrude, you can do it, or you can press G. From here, we get us 2 splitter. Same way, the top, extrude, key faces together off. Why we are switching off? Instead of that, if you're not switching off, so you can see that this face and this face are keep together, isn't it? I'll undo it again. Select this, select shift right click extrude. Now you switch on the key faces now. It's on. Suppose if you switch off, you can see this. This face is different and this face is different. Now if you extrude, you can see separately extruded. For this, extrude, scale, and just extrude. So you can see 1, 2, 3. As we see it over here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll come back to this one, this particular. This has to go up because you can see now only this particular area 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to extrude it. Extrude, key faces together off, scale, extrude again. That's it. But this one is entirely same. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I want to split it something in the center here, here. So in this time, key faces together never work because it will split the faces itself. So all together, you extrude and scale and extrude and pull it. That's it. Now we need a handlebars. Okay. Just check out what kind of one. Okay, this type and this type are same. So taking the box, scale it up, and select this 2-point, extrude. Okay. Then this 2-point, extrude. It's done. The size is big. Scale it down and rescale it according to the need. Before that, select all this edge, shift right click, bevel. So bevel edge, and increase the division into 2. Maybe I'll type 2. That's it. So okay, this is for this. Control D, Control D. That's it. For this, shift right click, so spacebar right click top view. E for rotation, hold J and rotate so that it will snap when you rotate. So no need to type over here for 90 degree. So place it, perspective, Control D, Shift D. Same thing, all three selected, Control D. Okay. Now from here to here, you can see it's all handlebars. So go to the rendering part and click on the blend. Change the color if you need. Just want to keep it like this, it's fine and well. But I just want to change the color into bronze. So it will show some difference. So what else? So here it's a knob and this is top. So I need a top portion over here. So it's very simple to do that. Take the box again. We can do in a two ways. One is simply select the box and move the space. Okay, this is the space we need. This is the one way. The another way is select the existing existing cupboard and extrude it. Well, sometimes it won't work, so I'm just doing it separately. Shift right click, insert edge, and this time shift right click, insert edge option box, edit reset. Now extrude. Okay, suppose I want to move it inside. Select everything and move inside. Yes. Now modify center pivot so that the pivot will be in the center of the selection. Modify center pivot. Then little bit more. Okay, now it's. So this is I go to rendering, give some material, assign the silver stone, increase the specular. On this one, apply the Lambert. It's a material. Apply some colors, so it will, we can see some difference of it. Okay, so this is a major part, and the knobs over here, and then extrudes. We are going to do that. So before that, we'll fix the background wall. Spacebar right click top view, polygon. Select the face of the top face and move it. Control D. Duplicate. Spacebar right click top view. Make sure it is the 90. Yes. And rotate. I see two pillars over there. So I'm giving the space for the pillars. So I can see 1 and 2. So this is for a windows. It's not a pillar actually, it's a windows. So for the windows, we can use something like this. Insert edge loop tool. So I need a multiple edges of 4. So 1, and then not here. So I'll leave the space 1 and 2. Okay, I'll leave the space for, and then this 2, in the space, and this also space. So window should come up here only this much. Okay, 1, 2, extrude. Sorry, I need to go to the insert edge loop tool, click on the bottom also so that you can fix the bottom. Okay, 1 and 2, shift right click, extrude, scale, then push it in, scale again, and in. So it comes the other way. Please select the faces of other side. Move it. You can do two things. One is move it or select the particular face and delete it. So you can fix the window. Suppose if you need it smaller or bigger, select the entire vertices. You can see 4 more. You can see entire vertices and move towards right side or left side. This one fixed. Window is done. So if you need this one, the boxes, you can do that by using another. Okay, we'll do it with the separate box. So this is a separate box. So we are going to treat it as a window edges. This is a wood. Okay, so 1. I'll duplicate this and scale it and smaller size and scale it in one particular way. You can see it looks like a mesh, isn't it? So in a material, you can apply any material you want. In a rendering material, you can see it's a labet. You can see the transparency here a little bit increase so that you can see the other way what is happening. So make it okay. So duplicate to the other side. We fix the windows. Control S. Okay, what else we need? We need this one, chimney. We'll do the chimney, then we do just 2 things. I'll duplicate this. So in this example, so each and every one of you will have a different kitchen, isn't it? But all the kitchen will have a cupboards. All the kitchen will have a chimney. All the kitchens will have a windows. So this is how you can treat things. Extrude, scale, and extrude, and scale. And extrude, skeleton, and extrude, push it in. Then scale in. Okay. Finally, shift right click, bevel it. So the edges will be more cool. and then another box for the shelf racks. Okay, in the racks, you can see a detail like a rack hold. Shift right click, insert edge loop this side, and shift right click, extrude, and drag it. Control D, move it. Select the shelf, edge, shift right click, bevel. And this to shelf color, and then wall color, go to the rendering, click on the Lambert, apply white. And this to maybe I'll give a black so you can see the difference. Select this three, Control D, then Control D, duplicate to the other side. But this time the other side sizes should be lesser. Okay. Save. We did this, we did this. Now what we need is we need a vessels. So it is very simple to do the vessels. How to do that? It is a curves. Yes, we do that. Particularly, this thing's simple, isn't it? So this everything is simple. So this kind of a thing's little interesting because this is a revolve, and this is a loft, and this is also a loft. Oh, sorry, extrude. Extrude. Knobs extrude. Select the shape, shift select the path. Okay. Now we'll do that. Front view. So create curves. CV counter, control plus shift, click so that you'll get the shortcut over here, or directly you can click, you'll get it. Surface, revolve. Okay. Surface, reverse. Okay. From here. Then create a curve. So knobs, circle. This is a circle. Select the circle. Shift select this curve. This is the shape and this is the path. Surface, extrude option box, add path on, component on, and extrude. Select this surface, reverse, the channel box, and extrude. You can see it's a tube or flat. So we need a tube. Sometimes make change in extrude. You have to change that one. Okay, over here it is bigger, and over here it is smaller. So go to the control vertex, select the control vertex, and make it bigger, bigger, and select this area, make it smaller. So you have to do one by one. Finally, if you want to change the shape, now you can change. So this two, you have to delete the history first. Edit, delete by type history. Otherwise, if you move this one, you can see the change. So edit, delete by type history, then modify center pivot, then move, it will be proper. Then we need the handlebar. For the same curve, select this surface, extrude. Select this surface, reverse. Okay, to make an exact shape, it's very simple. Do it one side. move it to the one side, then Control D to the -X. Select these two curves, attach curve option box, reset setting, connect, keep original off, attach. Now you get the proper shape. Now we can say select the shape, select the path, surface, extrude, then yeah, it's nice. So suppose if you, okay, I need a little bit smaller, it's fine. Select everything, Alt Shift D, edit deliver type history, Alt Shift D shortcut, and select all these three things and Control G for group and modify center pivot, because when you group, the pivot will go over there in the 0,0,0 position. Modify, again modify center pivot. Then we can move in a front view, move over here in top view, 4 more, go to the top view. Okay, it's fine. Focus. So one thing, other thing. I'll save the file. So mainly environment. And other thing, where is that one? Okay, the other things are very simple. Revolve. This is a revolve. Most of the kitchen stuffs are revolve. And this one is an extrude. I hope you understand this. Any questions, guys? Please let me know. This revolve sections and this extrude sections already we seen when we did the kitchen setup. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, guys.